Merry Christmas to all our friends in whānau. We hope you've been having an amazing festive season so far. This is our first Christmas in Auckland and we're so lucky to actually have my parents here with us. We just arrived at the Museum of Transport for the Christmas lights. It's actually sold out tonight. We are a bit early, but luckily we are because there's a massive line to get it. And it's still out, it's 24/7.
I just heard the hooter of the train or the horn, I don't know what to call it, that's marking the opening of the light festival.
Tickets were $5. We had to buy it online, just so you know for next year. Book your tickets early. Once the line got moving, it was really quick to get in. So this is a museum of transport. Everything is decorated with lights, but we also get to see all the things in the museum.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Trams, steam rollers, old vehicles, it's very cool.
There are a few food trucks, but they're already full.
No,
long lines.
I want some chips.
You had dinner. We just had to get some ice creams. This is sherbet dip with a flake or something.
Pretty good. It's like fizzy.
Ooh,
it's nice, eh?
That is good. We're just walking through a part of the museum where there's old phones. iPhone is already in this museum.
And the iPod. I'm feeling old now.
Oh, this is a sad day.
This was my typewriter when I started working.
They have arcade games in here. The mean teenage boys don't want me to play.
Yeah, nothing's changed.
Nothing's changed.
But more exciting, they have a differential analyzer behind me, which is the first computer in New Zealand used to solve differential equations, which is pretty impressive. Check it out.
I have no idea what Craig just said. It's 9:10 and it's finally looking like it's getting dark, so we can actually see the beautiful lights now.
You have to wait around if you want to actually see the lights.
There's a tram which we are going to try and get onto. I think there's a long line, but
Gonna try.
I want to go on a Christmas tram. Let's do it. The line to the tram is pretty long, but because there's two trams, it fills up and the line shortens very quickly.
We don't mind waiting because it's a vibe. Lots of lights around us. We're about to go on the tram. Pretty excited.
It's finally our turn. The wait wasn't that long. Like, woo, we're about to board. Let's go.
found the Christmas trees.
In a snow globe.
Pretty cool.
This was an amazing night out, and it's definitely going to be added to our new list of Christmas traditions here in Auckland.